I was a Georgia peach. I was a Georgia peach for a minute, and now I'm not. Hey everyone, this is Small Face. Welcoming you back to my channel if you're not new, and if you are new, if you've seen my past videos, then you would realize that I'm in a whole new different space. Me and the boys moved. I chronicled my move from New York to Georgia. December 2023, we moved to Georgia. Now, I am in Delaware. Yeah. We only spent about a year and a couple of months in Georgia, which was not the plan, but you know how God feels about plans. So my decision to move happened around last summer, and it just, a lot of things contributed to it. I love Georgia. It is a beautiful state. I love being there. I didn't get to see a lot. I wanted to go to other places. I wanted to go to Savannah. I wanted to go see Buckhead. I wanted to go all these other places. I really didn't get to see Atlanta. Not really. The only time I went to Atlanta is when I went to the emergency room, but that's a whole nother story. I had to leave, mainly because of my son. I have a 25-year-old son who has autism, and he was not receiving services. There was a big wait list. It was just too much. There was no way I could have just sat there and waited. This boy has been like a whole year with no services. Anyone who has a child with disabilities, autism, you already know that's crazy. I don't understand what's going on in Georgia, but it's not good. It is definitely not good. I lost my baby, I lost my car, I lost my Lola. That really made me spiral. I was so not in the right headspace when all that happened. It was just too much. It was just a lot. And moving to Delaware is not a new thought. Like, I wanted to move to Delaware a long time ago. It's just that every time, even back when I was in New York, every time I tried, for some reason, nothing was available. I wasn't fine. It was just a lot of different things. So I'm like, so now I'm here. I'm like, you know what? Timing is just everything. I just believe sometimes timing is everything, because how it is, I had to go to Georgia to make it back to Delaware. So I don't know. When I found this place and I was looking online, I absolutely fell in love with it. This place is amazing. It is beautiful. And I said, Lord, if you get me here, because I don't got anything. Right now, things are in shambles. How am I even gonna do this? I don't even have a car. So I'm like, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna get around? But Delaware is different. Delaware has buses over here. So yeah, I said, if you get me this is gonna be my biggest testimony. I will testify to the world, which I'm doing now, that, oh my God, God is amazing. It's just amazing. You guys have no idea. And I'm giving you a little, snippet of everything, because I was in such a bad headspace. It was bad. I was not happy when everything was going on in Georgia. So life has been lifing with me so long. Every time something goes good, oh my God, here we go. It's always something. It's always been something. Sometimes I said to myself, why did my mother name me Struggles? Because what? I have been through a lot of it. But she named me Face because she knew I was going to need a lot of it. So yeah, this is a new beginning, new chapter, new move, new whatever you want to call it. I am extremely happy. I'm so grateful. I feel so blessed. You have no idea. I'm surrounded by a lot of white. A lot of white, which my townhouse in Georgia was not. The kitchen was not white. It's bittersweet. It's definitely bittersweet, because Lord, I was a Georgia peach. I was a Georgia peach for a minute, and now I'm not. But such is life, right? The move was very hectic, of course, because moving, you already know, moving is hectic. I didn't record. I wanted to, I don't know. It was stressful. So that's another reason I didn't record the move from there to here. I didn't record anything. It was just too much. I wasn't thinking about anything. I wasn't thinking about YouTube. I hadn't picked up the camera so long, so I was like, I wasn't thinking about YouTube. I really wasn't. I didn't know if I was gonna pick up the camera again at all, because like I said, I was not in the right headspace. It was not at all. The trip was very long. When I looked it up, the drive from Georgia to Delaware is only 11 hours. Why did it take us all day from 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 6 o'clock the next morning to get here? Yeah, I didn't anticipate the truck. Like, I'm just thinking, okay, when you're driving a rental car, yeah, we could have made it probably 11 hours, right? When you have a truck that's packed to the brim with stuff, furniture and all that stuff, it can't move it so fast. So I wasn't thinking about all that. So it was a very long journey. So technically, yeah, this is gonna be the intro to, hey, we moved. And I did do an empty apartment tour. However, so my empty apartment tour is not in the right frame. I was so tired. I was just really tired. I don't know what the heck I was doing. That's when I picked up the phone, and it's just all, yeah, but you'll see. But anyway, it's content, and I'm gonna keep my video that I recorded because it's my content, and just hope you guys understand. After losing my car, I was literally stranded. I couldn't go anywhere. Thank God for my cousin. She's the sweetest person ever, and she was so helpful to me since I got there. Even before I got there. I absolutely love her to death. If you're watching, cuz, you know I love you. You are the best. I have the best cousin ever, okay? This was not possible without her, without my sister, without my brothers that helped me, without Babe. He definitely came through for me big time. Without, the people who really care about me, who really support me, it would not have been possible. So I'm just so grateful and so blessed that I was able to get here, because like I said, I ain't had nothing. I had nothing, okay? We ain't have nothing. I have my life. I have breath. My brain, I'm cognitive. That's what I needed. So we are here now, and I'm gonna stop rambling and get to the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Later. Okay, this is the boiler room. We're on the lights. Okay, this is some kind of control. I don't know, that might be a speaker. This is the boiler room. Closets. We get closed closets. One of the bedrooms. This is big, Christian. I'll let you know in a minute. Your room is pretty big. You sure it's big? It's smaller than this one?
I'm really scared. I just like the view, the window.
I know.
I'll take this one. I don't care.
This is a nice big closet. Oh my goodness. Both of the bedrooms is nice. Both of them are nice and spacious. Let me see that bathroom, Devin.
Huh?
And this is the boys' bathroom. Look at this. You got mirrors all over the place. Look at all these drawers. Y'all gotta keep this bathroom nice and beautiful and clean every single day. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. cabinet here. I'm gonna put a chair and have my, to make this a vanity area. I have a mirror. Really, Devin?
Huh?
Can you get out of my mirror? Thank you. They should have made it a double sink.
Well, until I get rid of this, gonna be.
I don't know why they didn't make it a double sink. How you have double mirrors? I have, well, quadruple mirrors. I'm looking like a hot mess today. It's been a long day, long trip.